Unveiling creativity. Make a quick sketch, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, make a quick sketch. Whether you're a budding artist or simply curious about English expressions, this video is for you. So, let's get started and explore how this phrase can be a useful tool in both everyday conversations and specific contexts. Make a quick sketch might seem straightforward at first glance, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Let's break it down. Make. In this context, make is a verb that means to create or produce something. It's a versatile word used in countless expressions. Quick. This adjective describes something done with speed or in a short amount of time. It emphasizes the efficiency or promptness of an action. Sketch. Finally, a sketch refers to a simple, hastily executed drawing or painting. It's not about perfection but capturing the essence of the subject with swift strokes. Together, make a quick sketch encourages creating a simple drawing in a short amount of time, focusing on speed rather than detail. This phrase can be handy in various scenarios. In art classes, teachers might use it to prompt students to warm up or capture their immediate impressions of a subject. In meetings or brainstorming sessions, professionals could use it metaphorically to suggest quickly jotting down or outlining ideas without delving into details. In everyday conversation, someone might say it when asking for a simple illustration to explain a concept or when describing their approach to initial drafts of work. Example sentences. Before we start the detailed drawing, let's make a quick sketch to get a feel for the composition. We don't have much time before the presentation. Can you make a quick sketch of the layout idea you have in mind? When I visited the park, I decided to make a quick sketch of the scenery. It's not detailed, but it captures the moment. Whether you're an actual artist or using the phrase metaphorically, here are a few tips. 1. Keep it simple. Focus on the basic shapes and forms. The goal is to convey the essence, not the details. 2. Be expressive. Let your hand move freely. Quick sketches are about capturing feelings or ideas more than precision. 3. Use what you have. Whether it's a pencil, pen, or digital tool, the idea is to work quickly with the tools at your disposal. 4. Practice. Like any skill, making effective quick sketches, literal or figurative, improves with practice. Use it as a creative or brainstorming exercise regularly. We hope this exploration of the phrase, make a quick sketch, has been enlightening. Whether you're sketching on paper or sketching out ideas, remember that the beauty lies in the simplicity and speed of the execution. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to use this phrase in your English conversations or creative projects. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Remember, every sketch, no matter how quick or simple, is a step forward in your language learning and creative journey. Keep sketching, and keep learning.